Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Piggy in Incredibox Sprunki style. So first we're going to get started with the nose. In the center we're going to start by drawing in a nice big arch line. And now let's close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. Now for the nostrils, we're going to arch these lines out on both sides. Let's draw on our eyes now. So on the right, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle, connecting that from the top of our nose, bringing that around and then in towards the bottom. And then we'll leave a gap in the center, moving over and replicating that on the left. Now moving in towards the center of our eye, we're going to draw in another circle. And then we'll do the same over on the right. Moving underneath for our mouth now, we're going to draw in two curved lines for the corner. We're going to connect this on the top with a curved line. And then on the bottom, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, bringing it up. Now for the tongue, we're going to curve this line down. We'll do the same, arching this over on the left. Now from here, let's draw in the headphones. So we're going to draw in a straight line that comes up on both sides. And then we're going to close this off on the top and bottom with a straight line directly across. Now from here, as we move further out, we're going to draw in another straight line that comes down towards the bottom. Let's close off the head now. So on the top, let's draw in a nice big arch line. And then as we move down underneath, we're going to replicate that, curving this around and then back up on the right. Now from here for the eyebrows, we're going to draw in two arch lines above both eyes. Let's move up and draw in the ears. So on both sides, we're going to curve this line out. And then starting from this point, we're going to curve this line back around and then in towards the side of the head. And then now as we move in towards the middle of both ears, we're just going to draw in a nice big arch line. Continuing to close off the headphones now on the side, we're going to draw in a half circle. And now let's draw on the strap connecting that. So on the top, we're going to draw in two curved lines that follow up towards our ear. And then we're going to do the same as we move over on the right. Now as we come in towards the middle, on the bottom, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line. And then we'll do the same thing as we move up again one more time. Let's move down for the body now. We're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides, and we're just going to make sure that we end that at roughly the same height. And then now let's close this off on the bottom with a straight line. Now in the middle for the pendant, we're going to draw in the apple. So we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then starting back from the center again, we're going to curve this line back around and then up in the middle. On the top, let's curve this line out and then back in on the side. And then we're going to draw in a curved line that comes up towards the corner on both sides. And that is it. That's how you draw Piggy in Incredibox Sprunki style. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.